So ClickFunnels, Go High Level, Salesforce, Odoo, they all sound like they do the same thing. But here's the truth, they don't. And if you ever been confused about which platform to use for your business, you are not alone. So in this video, I'll break it down clearly and even give you industry specific guides so you know what platform to pick and how to implement it. Hi, I'm Dennis Hilario and I help entrepreneurs and business owners simplify digital transformation. If you're new here, I create weekly videos about business systems, digital marketing, and productivity. So don't forget to subscribe and check the links in the description below. Especially my earlier video on sales CRMs, which goes in depth into tools like Odoo. So, what is a sales CRM? A sales CRM is designed to manage leads, deals, and customer relationships. Think Salesforce, Odoo CRM, or HubSpot. They give you sales team structure, tracking opportunities, forecasting revenue, and making sure no lead slips through the cracks. So if you want a full breakdown, I already covered this in detail in a previous video, so the link is in the description. On the other hand, sales funnel builders like ClickFunnels, System.io, or Lead Pages, they focus on converting cold audiences into customers using landing pages, checkout flows, and automations. And then there are all-in-one marketing platforms like Go High Level, Kartra, or Kajabi, which combine funnel building, CRM features, email and SMS automation, even membership and booking systems all in one. And finally, there's post-sales platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk, or the customer service modules inside Salesforce and Odoo. So this focus on after sales support, retention, and customer happiness. Alright, so if you need help deciding which platform fits your business best, that's where I come in. I work with clients to implement tools like Odoo CRM or Go High Level so they don't waste money on the wrong systems. You can contact me for consulting, or we can even start with my Sales 101 and Digital Marketing course. So links are below. Alright, so let's now discuss some industry use cases. These are just quick guides. Right? First is for e-commerce. You can use platform like Shopify, combine it with Klaviyo for email and SMS funnels, or you can, go straight with ClickFunnels for upsell, abandoned cart funnels. Another option is WordPress using WooCommerce and cart flows. So to implement, just build a funnel landing page for your best-selling product in ClickFunnels, or even Go High Level actually, and then connect it to your checkout. So Shopify also has a checkout facility and some add-ons or apps for integration with your logistics or courier platforms. You can use Klaviyo for abandoned cart flows and loyalty emails. Second is for B2B services and consulting. You can use platform like Odoo CRM or Salesforce. Combine it with Go High Level for lead gen funnels. So to implement, you can use Go High Level to create a funnel for, say, LinkedIn ads, say, free consulting booking. Then pass qualified leads into Odoo CRM for proposal, contract, and long-term account management. So Odoo CRM and Salesforce has built-in advanced quotation system, product catalogs and price lists, discounts, approval workflows. So this is great for complex B2B deals. While Go High Level has lighter quotation, more marketing oriented. So perfect for service businesses, agencies, clinics, or coaches where proposals are usually package based. Next is for digital courses and education. So platforms like Kajabi or Kartra, Funnel Plus course hosting, or ClickFunnels integrated with Teachable. So if you want a more robust learning management system. So to implement, you can use a free webinar funnel and then your course sales page, checkout, and upsell coaching package. Host your course inside Kajabi or Kartra for seamless delivery. You can automate email reminders for uncompleted courses to improve retention. Another use case is for healthcare clinics. You can use platform like Go High Level for funnels plus booking plus SMS reminders. So to implement, so build a funnel for Facebook ad with the free consulting booking form. Automate SMS and email reminders for appointments. Use GHL's pipeline to track each patient from inquiry, consultation, and treatment plan. Number 5 is local businesses like gyms, salons, or cafes. Again, use Go High Level for promos plus booking, or ClickFunnels for special offers. To implement, create a promo landing page funnel with claim your voucher form. automate email or SMS follow-ups to remind customers to redeem, and track redeemed versus unredeemed offers in GHL's CRM dashboard. Number 6 is events and entertainment. So platforms like ClickFunnels or Eventbrite plus Klaviyo. So to implement, create an ad ticket sales page with upsell to VIP. Use Eventbrite integration for ticketing logistics. Then automate email reminders before and after event for upsells and feedback. Another use case is for restaurants. Again, go high level for local offers plus loyalty funnels. To implement, run a Facebook ad to a funnel, get 10% off your first visit, for example. Collect information, then automate SMS for future promos. Track repeat customers in GHL CRM for loyalty campaigns. So here's the bottom line. Sales funnels capture and convert. CRMs manage and scale. Then post-sales platforms retain and support. The trick is choosing the right tool for your industry. Again, if you need help setting this up, reach out to me. I've implemented both Odoo and GHL for businesses just like yours. And don't forget, you can start learning today with my Sales 101 and digital marketing courses. I'm Dennis Hilario. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.